Hey guys, and welcome back to the Diabesties channel. Jazz over here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing something very interesting. So just a little background story before we get into the video. I had gone to the US a couple of years ago and I was there for a bit, and that is when I discovered the Dexcom G6 and I tried it out over there. I really enjoyed using it and I was using it for a while after that. And then I was back in India and Dexcom is not available in India. The G6 was not available in India. However, there was another third-party transmitter called the Bluecon, which I did also try out. And I thought that in today's video, it would be super interesting to do like a compare contrast of both of these and see some of the advantages of both, some of the disadvantages, and just do like a Venn diagram sorts for all of you who are watching. So with that said, let's get into the video. So let's kick things off with the Bluecon. The Bluecon is by Ambrosia, and it is not an entire CGM unit, which means it doesn't come with a sensor and a reader like the Dexcom does, which means that you can attach this transmitter onto a sensor like the Freestyle Libre or the Freestyle Libre Pro and use your phone as a reader to get real-time data. So what it does is it converts an FGM into a CGM. So I have actually used this product before and we did a video on it earlier, which I will link below, so you can go and check it out if you haven't yet. But I would like to mention some of the key pointers and key highlights that I feel really make the Bluecon stand out. One of the really cool things about this product is that you can connect it to your Apple Watch without the use of an iPhone. Second thing, that this app is very robust. It's not like the Dexcom app, which is actually a much simpler viewing kind of an app. This app, you can actually record things like your medications, the food, your exercise, and you can send all that collated data with your glucose values to your doctor. So he or she can analyze how the sugars are acting depending on the activities associated with it, which I think is very cool. The Bluecon also allows Night Scout connectivity for those of you who use Night Scout. There are easily available APIs for third parties so that they can easily integrate the glucose values, real-time glucose values into their system. The one thing I really found interesting was that the Bluecon allows speech alarms for visually impaired people. It actually has like a voice diction integrated into the system. So I think that we talk so much about inclusivity in the type 1 diabetes community, and this system truly has integrated that into their entire user interface. So I think props for that. There's also an option called Food Insights, where it helps you track the effect of certain foods on your glucose values. And this helps you then make better decisions later on about choosing what kinds of foods to eat. So that's also something really interesting. It's got a shelf life for about 2 to 3 years, which is a pretty long shelf life if you ask me. And there is a new DiaBuddy option which helps you connect to people and get sensors at competitive prices. So it's about more of a community building aspect, which is in the Bluecon. So if you ask me to compare the user interface of the Bluecon and the Dexcom, I would say the Bluecon has a lot more options, but that could be beneficial for some and maybe too complicated for some. So that's a personal choice. The Dexcom is super clean, very minimalistically designed for people like me who like a minimalistic vibe. So those were some of the key features of the Bluecon. Now let's get into the Dexcom. Some key features of the Dexcom are the alarms and the accuracy. Since it's not just a transmitter, it comes with its own sensor and its reader. It's a cohesive system that's built. So the accuracy wise, see, the Bluecon cannot actually help with the accuracy because it doesn't have an inbuilt sensor. It's already a sensor from a third party. Whereas this is a complete cohesive system. There's a share app where you can have your family members or your doctors having those shared alarms as well. You can also log events into the Dexcom G6 like meal timings or insulin or exercise. So that's a similarity that is there with both of them. The alarms are customizable. It also tells you the rate in a very clean and minimalistic way. Dexcom comes along with something called Dexcom Clarity, which generates reports every week and different types of reports. You can sort of filter out the reports you want with the Dexcom. So now, what are the negatives, right? The biggest difference, I think, it comes in cost. So the Bluecon is about 1/3 the cost of the Dexcom in the US and Europe. Dexcom is currently not available in India, so I think that's another place where the Bluecon has a slightly higher advantage. Other than that, I've used both. I genuinely love both. I don't find faults in either. I think both of them are great options for people who want real-time data. I keep switching out what I use from time to time, but I can say with complete confidence that both of these systems are fantastic. So if you are someone who's living in the US, who have access to this, if budget is not an issue, you can go for your choice. If you're someone in India and you're looking for some kind of a real-time glucose system, please do check out the Bluecon. It's a very, very robust system that can help managing your type 1 diabetes better. So yeah, that's about it. Keep your sugars in control, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. We're gonna link all the mentioned links down below in the description box so you can check those out at your own time and convenience. And I will see you again in the next video. Till then, stay happy and bolus regularly, and you're type 1 of a kind.